Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire, where we dive into the latest tools and gadgets for your automotive needs. Today, we're reviewing the Autel MaxiAP AP200 BD scanner, a compact, affordable, and Bluetooth-enabled scanner that promises to make car diagnostics easier than ever. But is it worth your money? Stick around as we explore its features, pros, and cons. First, let's talk about what you get. The Autel MaxiAP AP200 is a small, plug-and-play OBD scanner that works via Bluetooth. It connects to your smartphone using the MaxiAP app, available for both iOS and Android. Exclusive app of Autel and lifetime free upgrade offer you the best using experience. To save more money on car expenses, purchase an engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. The AP200 code reader car diagnostic tool works with most American, European, and Asian OBD-compliant models manufactured from 1996 to 2018. It offers one free model and is available to buy extra models if needed. $21.99 iOS, Android per model. You can use AP200 turn your iOS, Android device not support tablet into a car diagnostic scanner without relying on the mechanic. As easy to use AP200 as a code reader with all the functions of an expensive handheld scan tool. The Bluetooth pairing process needs to be done in-app rather than in Android Bluetooth setting. On the iOS device, go to Settings greater than Bluetooth. Autel Bluetooth Scanner AP200, one of the most economical OBD diagnostic scan tool in the market. With its advanced 19 hot service functions including all reset, SAS calibration, odometer, EBS bleeding, injector coding, battery registration, DPF regeneration, etc., and still growing, Autel AP200 ranks top in professional automotive scanners. Autel AP200 is a professional car diagnostic tool that can access all available car electronic systems like ABS, SRS airbag, engine, transmission, brake systems, and etc. This scan tool can read and clear fault codes DTCs on all systems and show live data stream of multiple sensors in graph and text. Autel AP200 does not support tablet devices. To this OBD scanner supports 19 maintenance functions but may not support some special vehicles. It depends on the car manufacturer's model and year. 3. Generally, the language of AP200 software is the same as the language of your phone system. Pros: affordable, compact and portable, wide compatibility, free first vehicle software, advanced features, real-time data. And cons: in-app purchases, limited advanced features, subscription model. So, is the Autel MaxiAP AP200 worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly OBD scanner with great features, this device is a solid choice. However, keep in mind the costs of additional car profiles and the potential for limited functionality on certain vehicles. Overall, it's a great tool for dyers, car enthusiasts, and even professional mechanics. If you're interested, check the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.